My history with depression started in high school. I wore a mask to hide from some of the feelings I was going through. My depression would start with anxious thoughts and then move to not being able to move some days. I tried therapy, I tried mood stabilizers, anti-anxiety medication, and multiple antidepressants. I didn't want to live on medication. Over the past 5 years, I had a lot of traumatic events occur, and that put a strain on my relationship. It ended up in a divorce. I just came back to the doctor and I said, I can't do this. I mean, there has to be something, because if there's not, I don't know if I want to live. He knew how I was doing. He knew that things weren't well. And at that point, he said, you know what, there's this treatment that I really think you should look into. And he said it was NeuroStim TMS. I called the clinic. They were able to get me in within that week, which I was very grateful for. My experience with NeuroStim TMS centers was amazing. The office facility was beautiful. The doctor that I met with, she was compassionate. She cared. I actually could not wait to see her each time I got there. The staff who provided the treatments, same thing. They just cared. They asked how your day was. They knew if you were struggling. They wanted to make you as comfortable as possible. TMS has helped me with many different aspects of my life. Since I've had TMS therapy, I just felt like something was working up here. And I said, I don't know what I'm supposed to feel, but I know that my thoughts aren't going down rabbit holes. Being able to feel something or grieve or feel joy and moving to the next thing, going back to work, that was huge for me. I would say that my relationships with people have changed. They are different in a lot of ways because I'm different. If I wouldn't have gotten TMS, honestly, I don't know if I would be here. This therapy gave to me something that I hadn't been given before.